Oh man, it's so nice out here.
Oh, it's no wind.
I know. It's gonna be a nice day. Nice fishing day. Guys, are we gonna go fishing?
Yeah.
Fishing?
Guys, what are you guys gonna say something?
Are you gonna go fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess. What about you? Are you gonna go fishing?
Yeah.
Nice. Ezekiel, we're gonna go fishing? No? Okay.
You can't pick up your Carmen? You wanna go fishing? Oh, yeah, good job. There we go.
Dang.
Дай водичку only. Okay?
Hi guys.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, nice.
Nice, man. Look, I got one too. Wally got one too? Yeah.
Whoa.
Ah,
Yeah. Yikes.
What about you? Oh, Wally Slims. That's a fat one.
Whoa.
Dude, look at. Oh!
Oh, man.
We got a camera. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, you almost lost the fishing pole. Guys, look. Look, see fish.
Oh, dang. It's like,
Good one, man.
Woo. Yeah. Woo. All right, see you later.
Hey, I started fighting hard all of a sudden. Yeah. Where is she? Oh, that's a good one, man. What are you talking about? It's a nice one. Right there, right by your fish. Really? This guy. That's a good one, man. That's a good mid-sized one, dude. Yeah, that's a good mid-size. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, John just slayed one. My turn. All right. Oh, another decent one. Hey, let me see.
Whoa. Wants to go.
All right. All right, John. Oh, John, nice.
Dude, sweet.
Wakaji. Look at this guy. That's 10, right?
Oh. Connected. It's
so connected. Careful, those hooks.
I got slimed.
That was all the guys, little boys.
That was what? 7? That's 9, right?
I thought that was 10.
I got 2.
I thought we were at 8 or we were at 7. Anyways, somewhere in there. Just figure it out. A couple of holes. We figured that we were getting really good luck. Like we're all hooking up.
Oh, got it. Oh man, thing looks awesome. Arr. I see you. It swam away already. They're quick. Whoa.
Give it like a little nice. Look at that.
Dang, that is awesome.
Oh, you have duct tape right there. Where? Oh, that's right.
If the duct tape
All right, goodbye, fishy.
We're gonna hit shore,
duct
boys.
tape won't work, we can just take this.
Well, you have. Oh man.
Hey, how's your chips, Marcus? Good. So how many fish have you caught so far?
Really fast current, right? Okay, then.
You haven't caught any? That's because you're not fishing.
Where's Papa? Oh, that's a nice one, man.
Dang, that's huge.
Sportsman, man.
That's awesome.